And when I was going on a tour, so when I came back, the first thing I said, did he survive? Doctor said, yes, he survived and he has been discharged. That's the kind of confidence I have in Dr. Vij. I personally think that if I ever have any problem which I have to be hospitalized, I will start with his hospital first and he'll send me further.
We started our practice in Delhi about 30 years back from a small clinic. Over the years, with our hard work and people's trust and patronage, we have built a multi-speciality hospital which is having a tremendous reputation and goodwill in the area. And this hospital is dedicated to the memory of my father, Dr. Sundarlal Bose.
Dr. Sundarlal Memorial Hospital is one of the reputed hospitals having multi-speciality care in South Delhi area. It caters to all the strata of society, and we have economy wards, private rooms and deluxe rooms based on the requirement of the different patients. We have all the major specialties including internal medicine, cardiology, pediatrics, neonatology, obstetrics and gynecology, IVF, general and laparoscopic surgery, bariatric surgery, ENT, dermatology, homeopathy and many others. We provide 24/7 emergency services to all our patients, and the ambulance facility gives timely care to the critically ill patients wherever they may require it. The entire range of tests can be done at the hospital at its own laboratory, which is manned by very trained and experienced lab technicians. The hospital has an in-house pharmacy which is well stocked with all the latest drugs and can provide the same to the patients who require them. The Department of Laparoscopic Surgery has made tremendous advances in the past few years. We have an ultra-modern operation theatre with all the high-end laparoscopic instruments as well as the energy devices to make all the surgeries possible. So far, we have performed over 5,000 of such laparoscopic surgeries successfully without any major complications. The Center for Weight Loss Surgery, known as the Delhi Institute of Obesity and Metabolic Surgery, is a part of this great institute which offers the facility of bariatric surgery. This center is one of the first centers in this area which provides this facility to the morbidly obese group of patients at a very reasonable cost. Moreover, we hold regular free camps to provide health services to the weaker and the underprivileged sections of the society. The Diagnostic Center at Dr. Sundarlal Memorial Hospital has a 300 milliampere X-ray machine, a 12-channel ECG machine, a state-of-the-art ultrasound machine, as well as C-arm and TMT machine for diagnosis of all the major and minor ailments. The endoscopy suite at Dr. Sundarlal Memorial Hospital is aimed at providing the diagnosis of all the major gastrointestinal diseases by providing a direct view to the internal organs. The pediatric unit at our hospital has a newborn support unit with the phototherapy machine. With the rising incidence of obesity, we try to hold regular camps and obesity awareness programs as well as support group meetings to make the people aware of this growing epidemic problem. In such programs, we try to explain to the patients how to avoid such problems, and if in case they are suffering from morbid obesity, what is the correct line of treatment which they should undertake in order to solve this problem.
Hi, I'm Dr. Roshi Satija, a gynecologist. I specialize in the field of infertility and IVF. A proper diagnostic evaluation for infertility is required for women who do not conceive within 12 months or more of unprotected intercourse. There are various modalities of treatment which are available at our center. They are follicular monitoring, intrauterine insemination, in vitro fertilization, Donor facilities for sperm and egg are also available at our center. We also do laparoscopic surgeries for evaluation of infertility. We doctors at Dr. Sundarlal Memorial Hospital believe in providing personalized care for all our patients. We make an endeavor to establish a very strong rapport with all our patients.
Hi, I am Dr. Deepika Vij, working here as a pediatrician. We have a well-equipped nursery with phototherapy unit, competent staff to deal with pediatric patients and all vaccination facilities. We are holding health checkup camps regularly in this area. We have around 10,000 families bringing their children for health care because of the personal attention they get.
Because of the quality treatment at very affordable rates, most of our patients and their families have stayed with us all these 30 years from the inception of the hospital. And now we are serving their third or fourth generation.
I have been a friend of Dr. Vij, more or less he's a doctor friend to me, since 1988. My mother had fallen sick and she was in a kind of coma where she was on a ventilator, and the nursing home she was admitted called Dr. Vij to that hospital to have a look at my mother. She gave me almost 1 hour to hear patiently all about it, and the one way when my mother was kind of declared brain dead, Dr. Vij said, no, go back home, sing some songs to the ashram my mother belonged to and repeat in her ears. And can you believe the thing was ultimately diagnosed as schizophrenia. Dr. Vij was diagnosing a particular family, a person who was sick, probably she had some abdomen ailment which had to be surgery. So the surgeon said he's a bad risk. The anesthetist said he was a bad risk. Curiously I was watching. So Dr. Vij said that if the patient agrees, we'll cut open, we'll go ahead with the surgery. That's against the advice of a surgeon, and so he's also, he kind of diagnoses you by intuition and takes a decision. I love him for this quality. And when I was going on a tour, so when I came back, the first thing I said, did he survive? Doctor said, yes, he survived and he has been discharged. That's the kind of confidence I have in Dr. Vij. I personally think that if I ever have any problem which I have to be hospitalized, I will start with his hospital first and he'll send me further.
If someone asks me what are your achievements in these years, I can proudly say that the trust and faith people had in me in all these 30 years is my biggest achievement.